What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start dropshipping using Chat GPT in 2023. Now, this is going to be the fastest way to start dropshipping right now, and you won't find this type of video or information anywhere else. So make sure you support and drop a like on this video. And many of you guys loved the previous video that I dropped and made so much money doing dropshipping. So I wanted to take this video to the next level and show you guys what many people aren't doing in 2023 and how you can capitalize and make so much money utilizing dropshipping without having to order the product from Amazon, without having to film your own videos, without having to run any ads at all. So like I said, if you are ready for this video, make sure you drop a like and let's get started. Now, before you start building out your Shopify store or adding any type of winning product to your Shopify store, you want to go to a website called openai.com where you can get access to Chat GPT for absolutely free. Now, Chat GPT is an autonomous system where it basically outperforms any human being on this planet. If you haven't seen my previous video, we utilized Chat GPT to build out a whole Shopify store from complete scratch. Now, that is completely insane because this autonomous tool is, outperforms any human being. Like I said, it's one of the smartest tool in the game right now that will literally build out your business and make things a lot more easier for you so that, you can start marketing your products better, so you can start building out your Shopify stores better, and most importantly, so you can get sales and get better conversions on your Shopify store. Now, once you go to openai.com, you're going to go into the header section and click the try now button so that you can create your Chat GPT account. Now, this is the interface for Chat GPT. This is the prompt where you're going to ask questions or, signify any ideas that you would like back. It's, for example, you can see you can get any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday, or if you want to start computing quantum physics in simple terms, or you can simply ask it to write a Facebook ad for a smoothie blender, right? And once you select and write a prompt, is it literally going to look up any type of information regarding the smoothie blender, and it's going to start creating a Facebook ad for you. As you can see, it says get yours today and start sipping on some yummy goodness, and you can break this down and input this into your Facebook ad, or signify any ideas that you would want and start adding your own flavor into it. Now, one of the most important things to building out a very good Shopify store that's going to guarantee you some sales is you have to find a really good product. And when you find products that people are actually searching for and looking for on these social media platforms, that's when you can start making these sales and get ahead of your competition. And we're going to use this example with the portable USB blender. As you can see, this is a 2023 product. Many of you guys probably have seen this in the past and think that it's saturated. Well, to tell you the truth, guys, people are making millions of dollars with this winning product. Now, when you're looking for a particular product, most of the time you want to sort it by orders. And in this example with the smoothie portable blender, you can see that, this particular new product is getting over 6,000 orders, right? 1,400 orders, 300 orders, 2,500 orders. Right off the bat, you can see which ones are the most popular, which ones are selling, which one people are ordering. And you can go to, a platform like TikTok and see the exact same products, right? So if we come into, the most top viewed videos, you can see that this particular one from the example has over 190,000 views. This one has about 300,000 views. There's even some more with these new ones with 155,000 views. Here's one more with 44,000 views, 63,000 views. And you can, literally go and check out the comments and see what people are, talking about, like, how do I buy this? How many ounces is available in this bottle? I think you should try this one with your YouTube videos. I want one. I really want to get one. So we've already validated that people want this particular product. So once you find a winning product that people are actually buying, then you want to go and create your Shopify store. Now, the greatest thing about Shopify is that you can start a free trial for 3 months for only $1 a month. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity to start a business online for only $1. There's not a place where you can start a business for only $1 and get your store up and running in less than 24 hours. So I highly recommend you guys utilizing Shopify to build out your e-commerce store. Now, once you build out your Shopify store, then you're going to want to go to Chat GPT to start creating content for your products. Basically, we're going to be using TikTok to organically get sales on our dropshipping store, because I've literally showed you guys the virality of how much people are literally searching for this particular product, right? 44,000 views, 155,000 views, 71,000 views. You know, a lot of you guys can go out there and create these type of videos and get sales organically without having to touch an ad. Now, a lot of you guys are probably wondering, like, now I have to go order the product on Amazon, or I have to go on AliExpress to wait for long shipping times to get the particular product. Not necessarily. I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how you can create your own organic ads so you can start marketing your products right now. Now, the easiest way to build a TikTok organic post is by utilizing a software called Pictory.ai. Basically, this is another AI tool where you can create videos on autopilot. It can automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos for your long form content. It's quick, it's easy, it's cost effective, and basically you don't need any technical skills or softwares to download this particular product. Now, you can go out there and start creating your own videos with a free trial, but I will tell you that this particular software is not free. But I would look at it as a, virtual assistant, or an assistant that's creating videos for you, because that's exactly what this does. And it's not really that expensive, right? You can start a standard plan for about $19 a month, or you can go to the premium plan for $39 a month and get 60 videos per month. And you really can't hire an employee for $39 a month. That's how you should look at this, especially when this is an opportunity to automate your dropshipping store in 2023, right? You can create 60 videos per month for only $39.99 a month. Now, to start creating your videos so that you can post them on your TikTok account, you want to have different types of content on your page, right? On TikTok, when we typed in the particular product, it's mainly people that, are talking about the blender. It's people talking about recipes that they like, right? It's people comparing different smoothie blenders, compared to the others, or why this one is better than your traditional blender, right? Those are the type of videos that you want to make. And you can basically go to Chat GPT and start asking it to create a script for you so that you can use Pictory.ai to create your videos. So I'm going to show you guys a quick example on how you can do this, and then you can do this with any product on the internet. So I'm going to ask Chat GPT to write a product review about the portable smoothie blender, and I'm going to hit enter, and basically it's going to tell you that I recently purchased the portable smoothie blender. I couldn't be happier with my purchase. The blender is compact, it's easy to take with me on the go, which is perfect for my busy lifestyle. You get the point, guys, right? Now, this is one particular post that you can make. You can create top recipes for my portable smoothie blender. And now you have another post that you can do, right? Here are a few smoothie recipes that are perfect for your portable blender. So here's one that's called the strawberry banana smoothie, right? That could be one post. Or you can go with the mango smoothie, pineapple smoothie, or the chocolate peanut butter smoothie, right? So you can break this down and have maybe 5 or 4 posts, or you can just say the top 5 recipes to use for your portable blender, right? So right off the bat, we already have content that we can utilize for our TikTok post. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this script, and I'm going to go to Pictory, and I'm going to basically create our videos. So what I can do is basically call this the portable smoothie blender, and you're going to want to create an account. Right now they are having a 20% off discount, and that is an insane discount for an AI tool. So if you want to get access to that, I will leave a link in the description for that. And again, this is a automated tool that will do the work for you, to where you don't have to order the product at all. You don't have to create your own videos. This is literally an automated AI tool. So again, you are going to copy and paste this script from Chat GPT. So once you select proceed, then you're going to want to select the type of video that you want, right? So, you know, these are all different types of ways to format your videos, such as the text, right? The font, you know, that's the style of the images, the way that, you know, they move with the text. You know, you want to pick one that makes the most sense. If you have a business product, maybe this professional one would be the best. Or if you have a travel product, maybe this one would work. Or if you have a hunting and fishing product, maybe this one would work, right? So what I can do is literally find a you know, a template that works well for my product. So I'm just gonna go with this particular one. I think this one looks good. And basically when I select it, I can pick different types of aspect ratios that works with my videos. So if I wanna go with a 9:16, TikTok will work. If I wanna go to a 1:1, Instagram will work, or a 16:9 will work with YouTube. But for this example, we're going to use the 9:16 and we're going to hit continue. Now, once we continue, it's literally going to create our video for us. It's going to take a little bit of time to formulate this, you know, the script for us. And you guys are going to be highly amazed of how fast we created a TikTok video in less than 5 minutes. Now, this is the final version of the video. As you can see, it literally came up with, you know, the text of it. It came out with the keywords. It came out with the videos on them. And again, like, you can take the watermark off this video if you do have the paid version. And I'm going to show you, you know, how you can make this even better utilizing, you know, TikTok videos. So basically, you can go to TikTok and find, you know, a video that does not have any text. You're going to find a bunch of them that don't have any text, right? And just to show you an example, these are the ones that I'm talking about, right? These are the ones that have text on them on these particular videos. So you can't really, you know, make the video correlate to what you're trying to say, right? So for example, I found one that had no text on whatsoever. So what I can do is literally copy the link and go into a website like TikTok video download called Snaptic, and basically paste it, and I can download this particular video. So once you have your videos that you want to upload from TikTok, then you want to start putting these scenes into motion. So we're going to go to each scene since we've already have the text, and we're going to input each of these videos. So once you edit and trim your video, then you can go into audio and select a voiceover. You know, with TikTok, having a voiceover does increase your engagement. And so, you know, you can utilize a female voice, you can use a you know, a male voice, right? And you can see these previews. You can hear Joanna. So I'm gonna hit apply, and basically the text that we generated is basically going to be able to read out with that specific voice, right? And now we can go into background music, and you can select any type of background music from 15,000 tracks available. So basically you can click generate, and that's when you can have the final version of your video. Look at this, guys. This is an amazing ad. It talks about, you know, literally the script that we created from Chat GPT. This is automated. You know, you don't need any skills. You don't need any inventory. We literally created a whole video from scratch.